ginger, garlic. Beef, with the ginger and garlic and the beef. Add some water. I got my setup here, 3-stone firewood. Hi, kitty. Hi. Boil the meat with the ginger, garlic for a good 30 minutes. Check the water level periodically. I'm gonna add some water in this one so it doesn't dry out. But you want to boil it till it's nice and tender, 30 to 40 minutes. Tomatoes, cilantro, onions, chop them up. Drain out the juices, add some cooking oil, brown the meat. You want to brown this and let it get nice and brown and deep color in it. Onions, cilantro goes in there, give it a quick cook, fry that up. Nice and brown. Folks, this is a no spice beef stew. Tomatoes. I'm gonna cook the tomatoes down, let them sweat out. When the liquid comes out, it'll pick up all the brown bits and turn this meat into a nice brown color. We're gonna add back the juices that we took out. This is what was left over from the boiling of the meat. It's kind of like a beef stock right now. Mix this all in, incorporate everything. Let it warm through. Beautiful color, look at that. No spice beef stew. Beautiful. We're gonna cover it, let it simmer for about 10 minutes, and we are eating. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Folks, thank you so much for spending time with me. Like, share, subscribe. No spice beef stew. Enjoy. Look at that.